Have you ever wondered what, if you did a prop balance, it would improve the smoothness of your prop, make everything a little smoother and a little more enjoyable, maybe last longer? I don't know. Today on FlyWire, we're going to experience that. Hey, I'm Scott Perdue, and today on FlyWire, we're going to do a prop balance on this Bonanza. It's got an IO550 and a Hartzell prop. And I just got the Dynavibe G3X. And we are going to use that. This is the inaugural test of that. And right now we're at idle, and you can see that we're doing about it's 0.42 at 181 degrees. It was 0.51, so it's gotten a little better as it's warmed up. We got oil temperature's good now. So let's go ahead and run it up. We're going to run it up to 2,500 for mixture in. There's the prop, the brakes are on. Here we are, we're going to run it up. There is 2,500. RPM, 0.49 at 146. We're going through the run here, 2-1 second, acquiring the spectrum. Okay, so now we're going to pull it back. Idle. Let it cool down just a second with the airflow. And it says 0.48 IPS, phase 145, RPM is 2516, and we are going to adjust the weight. Okay, now we're going to put the bolts together, put the weights together. I went ahead and pre-weighed different washers and bolt combinations, so I know what I need, or probably can make up what I need to do this, to do what the Dynavibe tells me. And what it's telling me is that I have 0.48 inches per second at 145 degrees, and where I need to do one bolt is 28.8 grams at 325 degrees, or split it into two bolts, both of them at 14.9 grams, one at 310 degrees and one at 340. So the one bolt solution, well, the thing about Hartzell is they tell you that if you're going to do a dynamic balance, they don't provide any weight points, dynamic weight points. They say to drill through the spinner bulkhead. Yeah, okay, I'll do that, but I don't want to have I don't want to make it Swiss cheese. So I think I'm going to go with the one bolt solution. I think the two bolt solution would probably be a bit smoother, but I'm going to go with one bolt solution. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make myself up a one bolt, and then we're going to go and find that spot at 325 degrees and drill that and put the bolt in. The spinner's on the airplane because, hey, that spinner's a large part of any vibration that you're going to see. So doing a prop balance without the spinner on is kind of self-defeating in my opinion. So it is a hassle. You got to take it off, you got to put it back on, yada. And what you have to do is you have to orient it on the prop hub so it goes on the same spots. With a two blade, you got a 50-50 chance. With the three blade, well, you have three different ways you can put it on there. So the odds are you're going to screw it up, or I would. So I mark the prop spinner and the blade so I know exactly where that spinner is going to go. So let's put that bolt together. I've come up with my one bolt option, and I'm 0.19 grams over, but that's better being about 0.4 under, I think. So this is my combination. I'm going to drill a hole in my spinner, and I've located it 4.27 inches, it's 35 degrees, from the centroid, or the center of the propeller. It turns out to be right about here. It's going to be on the back plate. So I located a spot there that's just to put it down the width, so none of the washers show on the back side of the spinner. And I dimpled it, and I'm fixing to drill it. So this is going to catch all my tailings. Well, I love it when a plane comes together. The hull turned out really nice and clean, and the washers and the bolt all fit really nicely. It's tucked up under here, doesn't interfere with anything. And well, now we just put the spinner back on, take it back outside and do another run, see how it looks. All right, here we go.
About 15 miles northeast of the airfield at 4,500 pounds for touch and go. Response.
Always makes me nervous doing that. All right, on the ground. So here we go. We got it to 0.06 IPS and 2519 at the RPM. So it's pretty close to the same RPM in phase 176. So I'd say that was a pretty good jump. Well, that was pretty cool. Makes me look like I knew what I was doing. We only needed 2 runs, and we got it to 0.06. The limit from Hartzell is below 0.2 inches per second, and we got it down to 0.06. It actually worked out really well, and it felt smoother, but you know, I wasn't really busy worrying about that. I was busy about popping the chocks and screwing the prop up, running it so high on the ground, so I wanted to minimize my time doing that. So now we drag it back inside, take all this stuff off, and put the airplane back to normal, and write up the logbook, because we didn't do it if we didn't enter it in the log. So I hope you liked watching, and if you did, hit subscribe. Subscribers help me, and do more of these videos. And if you want a notification the next time, hit the bell, please. But hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on FlyWire.